Hi, this is Seb reporting from my science vlog, and today our experiment will be why we grit the roads on our icy and chilly day. Grit lorries are used in many ways to grit the roads before it will snow. These yellow boxes also contain grit in case you need to grit the paths. They are found in yellow boxes. Here is a close-up on grit, and it can come in many shapes and sizes, including when it can also be clumped and made of salt, small pebbles, and sand. You will need for this experiment a kettle of boiling water, 2 cups of hot water, one with salt in, one with no salt in, a pot of any salt you can find around the house. Use a tablespoon to measure out your salt. I'm using green food colouring because I'm trying to tell which pot has salt in and which one doesn't. You also need an adult helper.
Hello.
For hot water in the kettle. I'm going to put both of my pots in my glasses in the freezer, and I'm going to see which one is freezing and which one doesn't freeze. And I'm hoping it will work, fingers crossed. This is my freezer. It originally stands at -15 centigrade. I hope that will freeze one of them. Put a tablespoon of salt into one of these cups. As good as I can get it. Dip it in. Step 2. Put your adult helper to put the hot water in. Dad, please may you put the hot water in. Next, you've got to stir in the salt very good into the water and the salt have to be combined. Doesn't matter if there's a few little bumps at the bottom. You've got to get a little bit of your green thing, doesn't matter how much. The green one is with the one with the salt. Now I'm going to put these in the freezer. Go. The time is 6:43 and we'll be checking back in half an hour. It's 30 minutes. Let's have a look in the freezer. Let's give them a little shake. Nope. No. None of them are frozen yet at 30 minutes. We are now in the fridge at 60 minutes. They're very, very cold, freezing. They're both liquid still. Final check of the night. Let's now open the fridge. Okay, let's check. Salt water, still wobbly woo. Thing, it's healed up. You can poke it. Thin layer on the top of the glass, because I can easily just go like that. It's 8:30, time for bed. Let's see if in the morning the salt water has frozen. Good night. It's the morning. The water has frozen solid. Doesn't move. I've got to be careful with this one. The ice has sort of got a quite thick layer on the top of sheeting, but it still has liquid on it. Meaning the salt water didn't properly freeze. I have learned that salt is a useful thing and isn't just used to season things. What I have found out that gritting the roads is very important, because if you salt the road before it's going to happen, it will stop ice freezing on top of it. And no big, terrible accidents will happen, like cars crashing into others, cars crashing into buildings, cars crashing into fences. Thank you for watching my science video. Tune in next week for whatever I'm doing.